Hi everyone. Today we will see some update of S Bank. So important update. Before that, before going to S Bank, here you can see a stock which is currently at 15 rupees. So you can see in 6 months it has given 168% returns. So 170, nearly 200% returns in 6 months. So from 5 rupees to 15 rupees. So let's see, the name of this company is Madhav Infra Projects. So Madhav Infra Projects Limited has given nearly 200% returns in 6 months. What exactly it do is, it is into the infrastructure, as the name suggests, infrastructure, and another important thing is solar power generation. So it is working in both the demanding sectors. So in another 5 years from now, so there will be a very good preference given to the infrastructure and the solar energy, that is that comes under renewable energy. So renewable energy is booming sector. So you can see already the bull rally has been started in those type of stocks. So you can include in this sector this one also, Madhava Infra Projects Limited. Definitely watch stock, so keep in radar and have a study about this stock. Bank has announced its quarter 3 results ended December 31st. So if you see, the total income of this company stands at 8,243 crores. In last quarter it was 7,980 crores. In last year the same 6,986 crores. From year to year you can see a very good jump in the revenue. Even from quarter to quarter also there is little bit of increase in the revenue. So if you see the total expenditure, so it stands at 7,367 crores, and in last quarter 7,170 crores. In last year 6,069 crores. So there is a little bit of expenses also increase in the so let's move on to the net profit. So if net profit, see, there is 242 crores it has posted net profit in this quarter. In last quarter it was 228. In the same previous year it was 55 crore. So you can see the net profit from 55 crore to 242 crores. So nearly 4 to 5x jump in profit from year to year. And even in quarter to quarter also there is a little bit of increase in the profit. So I think it has given good results. If you see the EPS, it is 0.08 this quarter, and last quarter also 0.08. In last year it was 0.02. So very good jump in EPS also from year to year, almost flat from quarter to quarter. So as it has given a decent from year to year it is a very good improvement in the results, you can see. So you can see the gross NPA. So it was 2 in last year, and last quarter also 2%, and this quarter also 2%. So it is the same in all the segment, in all the results, all the quarter results, NPA. But in there is an improvement in revenue and profit from year to year. It has given good results so far. So we'll finish this video right now. Next video we'll meet again. Until then, goodbye, take care.